Alright, so welcome back, Bougie Nation, Bougie people, BoujeeBecky. Back again with another video. What we're making this today, we're making coleslaw. So I'm gonna show you my ingredients that I have. It's not everybody makes it the same way. Some people make it simpler, but you know, on the Bougie Nation station, aka Bougie Nation, we do everything bougie extra. So here we go. So you know, you need your pan, you need your main two ingredients, your cabbage and your carrot. All right, after that we use our other seasoning like our mayo. Have a purple onion here, put a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, some salt, some black pepper, some Maggi onion and garlic seasoning cube, and a little sugar. You know, you're going to need your grater, your knife, and your spoon. So here on my cutting board, we're going to start the process. All right, I'm going to open this cabbage and the carrot and get back to you guys. Wash it and then get back to you guys. All right, I'm adding some lettuce. I washed it prior to being on screen because I can't bother if show when my grandma sing and come back and all of them lovelies there. So I did that off camera for you guys and everything. You have to enjoy your stuff washed, cause baby, then just have to wash. Cause I just saw my mother grow me. Just have to wash. Right? If I no market, I'm go supermarket like you're seeing. Even though they wash them to put them in the packaging, I still wash them. I just peace of mind. You understand? Peace of mind. Cutting them as small as I can. Alright. I think that's good enough. Take it up. Put it in my pan. My pan. Alright. So I'm going to grate the cabbage now. I'm not going to use all of this because I'm just not going to use all of it. I grate. Some people cut, but I grate. Because that's just me. Want it evenly consistent with the lettuce, and then when I add the carrot, I just want it even out. So I estimate it. So there's no judgment with estimation. Right? But we are peak up, so turn it down. So I'm get it. Yeah. Can get a little bit messy, but all I do is use a knife, scrape off the top right there, so we'll have the excess. And then you look inside, and then inside I have that little excess there. You use your knife and then carry it down. Alright, that's what we do. Alright, well, to me that's enough. Yeah, that's enough grating of cabbage. So now back, I'm gonna wash off the grater here and come. Okay, I'm back. So carrot, already scraped it and everything, and we're doing it, we're holding it at this side so we get the longer lengths. Before shake off the English, the coast. Yeah, it's kind of, okay, I'll watch the inside. Mix it in to see if it have enough. That's what I do. Mix it in, and I say, boy, that's enough now. That's enough. That's enough. Just put all whatever inside. Back inside and everything. And the excess from outside. Have enough carrots in, you know. Alright. How we looking so far? Looking good? Okay, so this is the part that we're seasoning and making our coleslaw come to perfection, right? Not everybody do this, but to me it gives a little kick when you put it in. So what I do is grate in some purple onion. This is gonna hurt your eye. Make sure to put one crackers in the mouth and chew, because this is gonna hurt in the eye. Get a little bit more. Alright. There we go. Some onion. If you don't have purple onion, I use normal onion, but to me the purple onion get a little extra. Read all about it. So we're adding our seasoning now. So we're sprinkling some all-purpose. Alright. Sprinkling some black pepper. Take a Maggi cube, open it, and then we're putting half of it. Or you can put little less than half. Depends if you like that garlic flavor type of thing. Alright? So, as I told you before, everything in this on this channel is extra. So if you don't like extraness, I'm gonna know what to tell you. Alright, so that's on the way. That's it. Catch me. Alright. Going to do a pinch of salt. That is what I call a pinch of salt. Please do not come for me. Thank you. Alright. Alright, to sprinkle some with the extra flavoring. Sugar. And then I'm going to last it off now with mayonnaise. You don't know. There's one big spoon of mayonnaise, right? And then we're going to mix and put in the fridge to chill. Alright. Here. Put it in the fridge to chill. So I have a little water down this one, because you know cabbage. You know cabbage do. Draw a little water and such. So that is how we're doing for coleslaw. Mix it until you get out the sugar and all of those other flavors combined. Right? There we go. And you don't know, you have to taste it. There you go. So take a little piece from out of the corner. Yeah. Try to taste. So that's how I make coleslaw the bougie way. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to BoujeeBecky. Try this format of making coleslaw and leave a comment in the comment section to tell me if you like it or what you put in your own, and if you like the video. See you next time.